This video is about tree and shrub maintenance. My name is Eli Hall. I'm with AMS Landscaping out of Phoenix, Arizona. Regarding trees and shrubs, we like to keep these maintained, usually up to about 8-10 feet, where we'll either shear them, trim them, shape them, or prune them, depending on the recommendation for that particular shrub. And we try to really keep them maintained in a 4 to 8 week cycle. So maybe we'll focus on a portion of your yard each visit, so that not everything's going to get pruned each visit, but that we're on a rotation, so that the shrubs that need prune more frequent get pruned more frequent, and the shrubs and trees that don't need it as frequently will get it a little less frequent. We also cut back shrubs in the fall if they take a frost. And sometimes they're recommended, like lantanas will require being cut back just to make sure they don't collect any mold in the winter months. We also recommend fertilization. We can add that service to any landscape maintenance package that we have. We also install new plants and trees for existing clients. If you have a plant or tree that dies, we can actually install that for you and make sure that it's getting the proper water. We also service NAOS areas, and what that stands for is Natural Area Open Space. This is mostly in Scottsdale, but we can maintain those areas just by keeping them natural, mostly pulling out trash and debris that we're allowed to pull out. There's some things you're just not allowed to touch, but keeping it natural area open space. So if you have any other questions, feel free to contact us at AMS Landscaping here at azlawns.com, or give us a call at 602-944-0421. Also, please subscribe and follow us at AMS Landscaping. And if you see this video anywhere, please like, comment, or share.